Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another Mangalore Udupi style pumpkin curry, which is also called as koddel. So let's begin with the recipe. To prepare koddel, you will need a pumpkin. This is also called as zudi or kaddu. Slice it. Remove the seeds. And chop it into slightly bigger pieces. Now transfer this pumpkin to a cooking vessel. Add 2 cups of water to this. And cook this on a low flame. After 10 to 12 minutes, the pumpkin is almost cooked. Add some salt to taste. A slightly big piece of jaggery, this is about 2 to 2.5 inch. Squeeze a small lemon-sized tamarind in 1/4 cup of water. Now mix this all together. Cover and cook it for another 5 minutes. Once this is completely cooked, switch off the flame and keep it aside. For the masala preparation, to a pan, add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. To this, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal roasted or raw, 1 teaspoon of raw white rice, 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of methi seeds, 4 to 5 black peppercorns. Roast this. Add 4 to 5 badge red chilies. You can increase or decrease it. Now roast this without burning on low flame. Once it's aromatic, add 4 to 5 curry leaves. Once it's well roasted, transfer it to a blender jar. To the same pan, add 3/4 cup of fresh grated coconut. Saute the coconut on low flame until it turns aromatic. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to it. Switch off the flame and add it to the blender. You can grind the spices to a coarse powder before adding the coconut to it. Now grind this all together with some water and your masala paste is ready. Now to the cooked pumpkin, add the ground masala paste. Add some water to the blender and adjust the consistency. Once it comes to a boil, check salt and add if required. The gravy may look thin right now, but it will become thicker as it cools down. After a good boil, switch off the flame. Now let's do the tempering. Now for the tempering, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. To this add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, add 1 to 2 dry red chilies. To this add 2 to 3 crushed garlic. It's completely optional. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Add some asafoetida or ghee and switch off the flame. Now add this tempering to the curry. And mix well. Your sweet pumpkin curry is ready to serve. A sweet pumpkin curry or koddel is ready to serve. This tastes great when served with steamed rice. Do try this recipe and leave your valuable comments. Once the gravy almost cools down, it will turn slightly thicker. Thanks for watching.